This 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Service Work Truck. 6.0 V8 LS engine with only 86k miles, 6L90 transmission, shifts flawlessly. Single cab, long bed with a Knapheide service body and a full-size truck length ladder/equipment rack. Cruise control, tow package with factory brake controller, Bluetooth, 4 auxiliary switches, traction control, bed cargo light, ice cold AC, hot heat, leather intake in perfect condition, absolutely ready to work, commercial financing available, www.tswertrucks.com 5101E University Dr. Denton, Texas. Keywords: Chevrolet, Silverado, 1500, 2500, 3500, V8, service body, work truck, service truck, fleet, HVAC, heating and air, plumbing, plumber, electrician, electrical, landscape, lawn and garden, farrier, woodworking, construction, concrete,